Rand Water, Joburg Mayor Dada Morero and the Water Services Director will account to Parliament on Friday about the ongoing water woes. It's a day after the Mayor promised to have water restored to Coronationville and its surrounds. Last week, residents there blocked roads leading to a standoff with police. The officials have been summoned to explain how they're going to fix water challenges gripping the city.
So we took note about that problem that there were. We've got the Mayor of Johannesburg is appearing before the Portfolio Committee on Friday morning, and as well as Joburg Water. They need to come and explain to Parliament why there is no water in that area, because Rand Water can supply water, but their infrastructure as Joburg Water is a problem, and therefore the committee will keep them responsible to make sure that they supply water, and if not, then we will have to take other measures to make sure there's consequences for Joburg Water and the Metro for not supplying people with water in Joburg.